Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering all parts and tools you need to build the speaker. Get a 5-inch full-range speaker driver and a 7V 2000 mAh lithium battery. Bring a Bluetooth audio module rated for 5V and a TP4056 battery charger board. Also include a 5V boost converter to drive the amplifier module. Prepare basic tools like wire cutters, a soldering iron, hot glue, and a small Phillips screwdriver. Organize screws, short jumper wires, and shrink tubing before you begin the assembly process. Begin assembly by mounting the 5-inch speaker driver firmly in the enclosure. Use a foam gasket to prevent air leaks and improve bass response. Solder the speaker outputs to the amplifier module using short wires and solid joints. Connect the battery to the TP4056 charger input with correct polarity and secure the connections. Use the 5V boost converter to supply the Bluetooth module and amplifier with stable voltage. Route wires neatly and use hot glue to fix the modules and prevent vibration during playback. After wiring, charge the battery with the TP4056 and verify proper battery voltage levels. Confirm the battery reads about 7V to 2V before powering the system. Power the boost and Bluetooth module and pair your phone to confirm a stable connection. Play audio at moderate volume and listen for distortion, rattle, or overheating in the amplifier. Adjust damping inside the enclosure if bass is boomy or weak. Seal the enclosure with screws or adhesive, and label the charging port clearly for safe use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.